This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Sam Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01896691. 2 homes and a 5-car garage on acreage. Flat and usable property with RV parking. Main home has an open floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a large office, and is 2,002 square feet. Features include a large deck, newer roof, central HVAC, and fenced backyard. The second home has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 704 square feet, private back deck, and a carport. The 5-car garage is insulated and has heat/cooling. Located close to Black Oak Casino and just minutes to Sonora and Twain Harte. Comcast Internet available. https://realtors.org/wp-content/uploads/2020/05/ all entrance notice and pictogram sign 52620.pdf. For more information, review the details below or contact Sam Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957.